helping with walking. You want the legs straight. What you're looking for is the pendulum, right? But the biggest thing, what I'm seeing is the biggest milestone your daughter did not get was coming to sitting from her back. So the pelvis didn't open up and you don't have the midlines. One of the things I look for, is she turning this way? This way? No. So she didn't go from in and out of, she went pushed up and came through that way into the crawl versus going from sitting into all fours, right? Then her chest would be doing this, and so her walk would be more here, and you see more of that pubic bone strike and stability. But what you're having, see how she's turning wide in the shoulders, right? Versus turning or turning in. And that's what you want to work on. You want to work on getting this midline crossing more efficient. So see, if I was sitting here, right? Or laying here, and I come to sitting, see where I'm here? See when I'm going into all fours? See what happens from that position? So what she did, I can guarantee you, she rolled through her belly and then got up and pushed through. And that locks up the midline. And so that's what you're looking for, what you want to work on. The freestanding course would be great, right? Or just some simple lessons through here. And that also will open up the other thing, which is her peripheral vision. At this age, her eyes should be separating more from the head, and she's going around with the eyes, like everything, so that midline just isn't there, and that's what you need to work on.